Hello guys, you are watching Wise Tech Engineering YouTube channel by Mohammad Abdul Mehboob, and today I am going to explain you the conic section and special curves chapter, and this chapter is applicable for ITI and diploma and engineering students, and this problem is of 10 to 15 marks. For the especially it is for diploma students, and please do the problems and buy with my process or tricks or skills. So I'm showing you with your basic method how to do this problem, and I will explain you the question also, and what in the question how to draw this problem I'm going to show you. Okay, and this is the rectangle method or intersecting line method. Means by rectangle method or intersecting line method, what we have to draw. Okay, so this is the question. I'm starting my question. A ball thrown from the ground reaches a maximum height of 45 meters and returns to the ground at a distance of 100 meters from the point of discharge. Trace the path of the ball in space. Take a scale of 1:1000. Okay, so in this question he doesn't say what to draw, means if ellipse, parabola or hyperbola. So what to draw, I am going to explain you the question, and you have to draw what thing by this method, rectangle or intersecting line method. So a ball is thrown from the ground, means this is a ground. A person is throwing a ball from the ground from here. Okay, reaches a maximum height of 45 meters, means the ball reaches a maximum height of how much? 45 meters. Okay, 45 meters, and returns to the ground at a distance of 100 meters, means how much distance it is taking? 100 meters. Okay, from the point of discharge, means this is the point of discharge. The ball is thrown and it goes to the height of 45 meters till the 100 meters distance. Okay, here ball comes. Means this is the parabola. It is the path which is a ball going in the space. In this space, this is the parabola. So you have to construct a parabola by rectangle method. Means how this is a rectangle method you want to know, means in the question he gives you two distance, 45 meters and 100 meters. Means you have to draw parabola by rectangle method. Okay, rectangle method is also called intersecting line method. So how to draw, I am showing you. Okay, first you have to take, in the question he gives in meters, means each dimension he gives you in meters. So we have to take a scale as 10 mm is equal to 1 meter. Okay, if we draw 1 centimeter, means automatically it takes 1 meter. Means 10 mm if we draw, it takes 1 meter. Okay, so means 100 meter means 10 centimeter we have to take. For example, first you draw a rectangle, then by rectangle method you have to draw so 10, then height is 45, and then 45 we have drawn. Same as here also, we will draw from here 10 and here. This rectangle is we have drawn, and we have to draw the parabola. Okay, now after drawing the rectangle you have to label these points A, B, C, D. Then after this 10 we have to divide into exactly half. 10 of half is 5. So draw a line from this point and label it as M and N. So after dividing it, we have to divide this line into 8 equal parts. Means this is how much the line is? 10 centimeter. Means if we divide 10 into 8 equal parts, means each part will be of how much? About 1.2. 1.2 you will get. Means 1.2, 1.2 you have to make it. Like this. This also. These points you will get, and number it as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. We have divided this line into 8 equal parts. Now this line we have to divide into 4, and this line we have to divide into 4. Then this line is of 45 mm, we have to divide into 4, means 11.25. Each part will be of 11.25. So 11.2 and 3, in between that I am doing taking a point like this. Each part 11 point, like that we have to take these points we got. Okay, if here 1 is there, we have to label it as 1 dash, 2 dash, 3 dash. If 6 is here, 6 dash, 5 dash, 4 dash, like this you have to label it. Then after, you have to join the lines, means from M to 1 dash, M to 2 dash, M to 3 dash, M to 4 dash, M to 5 dash, M to 6 dash. For example, you have to join, I am showing you how to do. M to 1 dash, M to 2 dash, M to 3 dash, then same as from M to 4 dash, M to 5 dash, M to 6 dash. Okay, then after you have to draw a perpendicular lines from, you have labeling from each 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, you have to draw the perpendicular lines from 1 to till 1 dash, like this. Till 1 dash you have to do from 2 to 2 dash line, 3 to 3 dash line. Okay, then 4 from 4 dash line, you have to draw perpendicular lines from 5 and from 6. Okay, after drawing these lines, you have removed the point. This point will be P1, you have to label it P2, and this will be P3, and this will be P4, and this will be P5, and this will be P6. After getting the points, you have to trace the path. You have to join, you have to make the curves from these points, okay, to draw the parabola. So how with a free hand you can draw? You starting from D to P1, P1 to P2, P2 to P3, then M, and then P4, P5, P6, then C. See, the parabola you have removed, and then darken. Like this, you do. Your parabola is constructed by rectangle or intersecting line method. Then after, in the what dimension given in the question, you have to do that also. So extend the line from this here and draw the dimensioning line, draw an arrow mark like this, and how much it is? 100 meters. So show it as 100 meters. Okay, and this also height is of 45, extension lines, dimensioning line, and this is of 45 meter. This is the complete solution of parabola by rectangle or intersecting line method. You are watching Wise Tech Engineering YouTube channel. If you like my videos, please comment in my YouTube channel inbox, and please like, share and subscribe my channel, and watch till the end and practice by yourself these problems. Thank you.